Gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja nendekithite na thirikari nene kunenkanagira kigina kia makaunti kagita kario na itechereria kia mbere kamiti ya Senate Governor uro gutungata gipindi kiawe kia mbere augite kurita kwa ukinya kwa MBECA iji ni gugutuma kinyoriti ngulubu gachererwa nere ugite kinya MBECA ire nyingi CIITAGA KIRI wa MICARA. Anthony Kavenya no karimbungene.
Currently our wage bill is 18 billion shillings. 18 billion annually, meaning all the money that we get from the Senate is just salaries. Everything else you see happening in Nairobi is our own source revenue. What we get from equitable share just covers the salaries. When you see a road done, I've done more than 75 projects in the wards. I have built more than 17 kitchens in Nairobi County. We're feeding 310,000 children every day at 5 shillings. They all wear this watch. Tap to it. 310,000 children. And so we hired young people, Green Army, who have done a good job. You'll find them sweeping, clearing the drainage. Now, the problem that was there was when counties don't receive money, like this financial year, we only got money last week for 1 month. Then the operation and maintenance. So we have the trucks, but they don't have fuel, you know? And so what they have collected will stay by the roadside, and the trucks cannot collect. I found pending bills of 107 billion. In Nairobi County. But God has been faithful. We have found that the national government owes us around 120 billion. So a lot of what is owed to us, to what we owe national institutions, we'll do a write-off. We're doing a debt swapping. And so it's possible by the end of this financial year for Nairobi to have 0 pending bills. That is my goal, so that fiscal management is prudent. I really must acknowledge the Senate. The Senate of Kenya is doing a great job supporting the evolution. You know, I've been a senator longer than I've been a governor. So I am always batting on your side. You have an assignment coming soon. Please do the right thing. As always, you know the assignment. You know the assignment coming. Help us as a country. Help us as a country. Finally,
I can assure you will set the best political environment in this South.
And I need
that one we
60,
counted down.
60 out of 67. Finally, Chair, I just want to ask members of the Senate, as well as the people of Nairobi. I've been governor for now just 2 years. This county of Nairobi had gone into a free fall. Remember, we got NMS, which left us with pending bills of 16 billion. There was always violence in the assembly. You remember removal of speaker, mafirifiri, all those things. Nairobi was always a war zone. There was even a police post in the assembly. These are the first 2 years of peace in Nairobi County. I ask for patience. We're going to make this the best city in Africa, Africa's capital. It'll be clean. It'll be a city of order, a city of dignity, a city of hope and opportunities. And for me to do that, I need the support of the Senate. So please shield us. Please fight from our corner. Please protect the counties.